Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some newborn babies accessories. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is baby carrier backpack. You can buy it online within $100. Second one. This is newborn baby's bath center and shower. You can buy it online within $33.
This is the summer infant newborn to toddler bath center and shower. This clever 4-stage tub grows with your child, making bath time easier and more convenient for parents and baby. A portable motorized shower unit provides a gentle clean rinse spray that can be used long after your child transitions to an adult tub. Each stage evolves naturally with baby, for baby's first bath and beyond. Stage 1 features a contoured newborn bath sling that fits easily in your sink for a secure, hands-on experience. As your baby develops more motor skills, move to Stage 2 and utilize the bath sling with the handy shower unit conveniently attached on the outside. For little ones that can sit up, Stage 3 offers contained bath time fun using the toddler tub with shower head for easy cleaning. Finally, in Stage 4, the removable shower unit can be used separately when your child is ready to transition into an adult-sized tub. Cleaning up is safe, convenient, and fun for parents and babies alike with the multifunctional summer infant newborn to toddler bath center and shower. Bring one home today.
Third one. This is baby car seat side impact. You can buy it online within $190. Fourth one. This is wooden baby hairbrush and comb set. You can buy it online within $18. Fifth one. This is baby travel bag backpack. You can buy it online within $50. Sixth one. This is baby mosquito net for stroller and car seat. You can buy it online within $5. Seventh one. This is infant toddler rocker. You can buy it online within $35. So, today we are looking for some new Braun Babies accessories. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.